Yeah. Well, Merry Christmas.
Hello from Animal Kingdom.
We are finally over here at Animal Kingdom. We're going to check out the Christmas decorations.
Some snacks maybe.
And what else?
Whatever Christmas stuff there is.
Yeah, for sure. The tree is always lit up, so we're probably going to see that too.
Yeah, that's why we came here a little bit later, so we could see it a little before and then after, because we stayed at EPCOT till closing.
Yeah, and it's already chilly.
I know, I'm cold.
Yeah, good thing she brought her sweater. But if you're new here, hello, hi, and
welcome.
Yes, we are really excited. We're back here in Florida for the time being. We're really excited. Oh, and don't forget, in February we got a huge announcement.
And we have a new P.O. box address.
Yeah.
And also keep the community page on YouTube active as well, because we like to know when we want to go live.
Yeah.
So it may be sporadic, or we may tell you ahead of time, but please join us on there.
Yeah, we've gone live twice. It was kind of a cool experience for us because we're still trying to learn, so please be gentle with us.
Yeah.
We are learning as we go. But guys, enjoy this video, and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Feliz Navidad.
So, we haven't even gotten into the park yet. They are doing these little photo ops right here, like a little frame. Cool thing. I kind of like it. Looks like the same thing that they've done the last few years. Oh wow, look, we just got our picture did. And here's more of the decorations. The tree from afar. And sorry for the 360. And Amber's ready to go to the park.
That's cool.
We're in the store at Animal Kingdom. They have this. I like Donald. We saw this at Disney Springs. It was pretty cool. And then they have Jack from Nightmares Before Christmas, a movie that I have yet to see still. And Amber found the decorations. Is that a puppet? Uh-huh. It's a puppet. Oh my god. We gotta get one. Alright, so continuing through. Amber, I'm surprised she didn't want me to buy her this yet. These guys right here. They're really cool. Oh, we get meet Chip and Dale. I gotta remind her. Where'd she go? Oh my god. Look at that. It lights up. Yeah. She's mad because I left her ears. Oh. Damn, shots fired. I do like these, but we're so afraid that the beads and stuff will fall off.
$50. I could pay $50 to get lights.
Hey, let me ask you something. You remember who you get to see here? Yeah. You can get the stocking. Okay, new to us, because we haven't seen these yet. They have matching pajama sets for everybody. That's really cool. Good job, Disney, on that one. They have milk and cookies for Santa. Oh, we'll go back over here. So these are $40 for these. And the shirt is $50. The onesie is $70. The onesie's like this. All the way down. And then just a set as well. Where's it at? Looking for a tag. The set with the top and bottom are $50. They have a Christmas tree. That's really cool. With a whole bunch of ornaments. Wow. That's really cool. They have the Dalmatians. And likewise over here, they had the plaid and pajama sets too. And they have, oh wow, that's cool. It has a cardinal on the top. And it has shorts too. Oh wow. That's neat. Look at that. Look at that shirt down there. $50 for that shirt and shorts set. That's cool. It looks like Disney's getting into this swing of matching PJ sets for Christmas. Look at those slippers. Yes, that's cool. All right, first things first. We have to ride Everest. Amber got us a return time. So.
Yeah, because I knew that you would.
No,
I figured I'd just get it right away.
We're so excited. Super, super, super duper excited. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. I'm cold.
You're cold? Yeah. Let me warm you up?
No, I brought a jacket.
Man, no love. We're excited. Here we go. So Miss Amber keeps stepping closer. I have to keep backing up. Well, we just find out today.
It's Dapper Day.
It's officially Dapper Day for the fall.
But we can do it for
April. April is the next one. We haven't rode this ride in forever. On the Lightning Lane side of Flight of Passage. Amber's running. Oh no, we're stuck. We're really excited. We're actually looking at going to the movies for the second one. So we're really excited about that. Amber's like, there's a baby avatar.
Make sure you look around this time.
So it'll be kind of fun. So it's been almost a year and a half since we've been here at night. Kind of miss it actually, with the colors and everything. This is what we want in our living room, or in our dining room, or in our kitchen, or somewhere. This would be really cool. Look at this. I mean, how awesome is that? Really, really, really cool. I know I keep saying it, but this is just so cool. Sorry for the screaming baby in the background, but this is really cool. I like it a lot. And then over here, you can do your photo with the waterfall behind. That's really.
Hour 15.
Oh my God! Look at that. You know what this camera would have been perfect on?
What?
Going to the poinsettia at in Omaha.
I wish you could see that.
Oh, that's cool. Look.
Look at the sky though, it's not even dark.
I know. Look at that, it's really cool. It's kind of like when you go to HHN. Going to the left. Look at this. And unfortunately, the mic's facing us, so we can talk to you guys. But if you had it facing the other way, you would hear him.
You should hear it.
Here, I'll move it. Sorry for the noise.
Now that I saw the big mountain.
Did you notice he did that?
So Amber's like, there's something pink over there. So instead of like moving the camera over to it, I moved the mic.
I was like, what are you doing? Do you see the pink stuff?
Yeah. I'll say it like I said before. I'm dumb.
Dami yung tuna ko yung matagkahakay.
all this to get it right. Well, we are done. Unfortunately, Animal Kingdom is the same for the Christmas stuff.
Yeah, it's like the same decorations, the same kind of tree show, unfortunately. We enjoy it, we just, I guess because we're used to it and spoiled that way, that's
Yeah.
just like,
I agree. I wish they would change up a little bit. Just a couple
Or,
tweaks
yeah,
here
or
and
have
there.
more snacks, more
Yeah.
available or something.
Right.
There's something different.
What was really cool was today was Holiday Dapper Day, which is really neat.
Yeah.
I wish we would have known a lot sooner.
Sooner.
Yeah.
But we're also moving and packing.
I know.
We probably wouldn't have had anything anyway.
No, we probably wouldn't. So guys, that completes everything for today. If you made this far,
subscribe up here.
Yes.
Like the video or watch the next one up here.
we're still trying to figure that part out. So guys, thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Don't forget to like and comment. And we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.